Howdy folks, this is Manic Mark, your real fake outsider general, coming to you from underneath the Art Villa in the secret bunker system located in the jungles of the Midwest. And what day is it? The day is New Painting Day. That's right, it's new painting based on an old painting day. That's right. And we're having a beer to toast the new painting, which is this painting. Now cue painting music. Cue painting music.
Now, bluebird, please take this letter down south to me.
I picked this out just especially for this painting. Because why? Because it's
Please take this letter down south to me.
Blues Birds painting. You got your birdhouse,
Now you can
you
tell
got your
my baby I'm
blues
a busy
birds on the
baby.
inside.
Oh, but I'm just as blue as I can be.
And you've got your blues
Now,
themed
bluebird, when you
paintings on the outside.
I want you to fly down on Shannon Street. Now, bluebird, when you get to Jackson, I want you to fly down on Shannon Street. While that I don't want you to stop flying until you find Miss Lacy Bell for me.
And want to kind of capture
Now,
the
bluebird,
feeling
when you
of the
find Miss
blues.
Lacy Bell,
Wait a minute. I do that pretty good in some of my videos, don't I? Capture the feeling of the blues.
Now, bluebird, when you find Miss Lacy Bell, I'll give her my best regard. Why that you can tell her that I'm up here in St. Louis, but these times is awful doggone hard.
And not at the end of it. So today is a new day. Today is a new day. I don't know anything about the blues. Play more blues music. Play blues music. Yeah, the blues, baby, the blues. Only I can sing the blues. My voice is kind of like a girl, though. It's hard for me to sing the blues. I got the blues so bad, I got the blues so bad, I don't know what I do. He don't know what to do.
Now,
You're a blues woman character. She's an angel in black, and she's wearing black glasses, and she's floating around. She's got pink high shoes, so you can step on your back or other parts of your body, including your heart.
But she may not be at home, but please knock on her door. Why that she may be right across the street, visiting her next door neighbor, you know.
And the blues guy down there, he's like after blind, what's his face? Blind Willie McTell, I think. A to Z blues. I'm gonna cut you, and then it's all like cutting up his woman. Another uplifting blues tune.
I'm gonna cut A, B, C, D in the top of your head. That'll be treating you nice, sugar, and you ain't gonna be dead. Cut E, F, G right across your face. H, I, J, K, that's what running mountain take place. Cut L, M, N, both your arms. Sell your drink and pedal sugar your whole life.
And you got your bird piece, and you got your bucket of blood. Bucket of blood. You can't have a blues bird painting blues bird without a bucket of blood, man.
By that time his mother came out behind the bar. I know my son can't be dead. I said, look at that hole in that dirty motherfucker's head.
And you got, what else you got here? You got the roadhouse, and you got the woman in the purple dress going to the roadhouse at night, and there's the blue, what are the bluebirds, and this is a red bird, and this bird is on fire, because the blues is like red, right? The blues is not always blues, it's red sometimes. And you got your peace bird here, but he's overwhelmed by clouds of woe and misery, and a knife, which could be called a dagger, if you wanted to call it a dagger. And a gun here is probably a 38 special, but it could be a 32-20. Bucket of blood again, and show that. And opens up, of course, here's the inside. It opens up, just so you know, that it opens up. Hello out there! Opens up. Well, you know, when you do the blues thing, you should just like sit there. Got a cool blues face. Cue painting music.